I explain about questions based on Heron's formula. Now today we are going to solve so many questions. Note down example 1, example 1, example 1, example 1. Find the area of an isosceles triangle. Find the area of an isosceles triangle find the area of an isosceles triangle if the perimeter is if the perimeter is if the perimeter is 11 centimeter and the base is 5 centimeter. Right question very clearly, everyone. Find the area of an isosceles triangle if the perimeter is 11 centimeter. If the perimeter is 11 centimeter and base is 5 centimeter. Yes. Anyone student want to give answer how to solve this question? Give me some idea, student. After that, I will explain, no problem. Now concentrate how to solve this question. This question is very easy question. First, listen the question. What is this question? Question is he has given, find the area of an isosceles triangle. Triangle is isosceles. Firstly, I want to draw one figure. Suppose this triangle name is ABC. Isosceles triangle means I am assuming these two sides are same. I have assumed A and base already he has given 5 centimeter. Now firstly I want to find out perimeter of isosceles triangle and already he has given perimeter of isosceles triangle. What is the meaning of perimeter? Sum of measure of all sides. I have assumed here let the equal sides of an isosceles triangle be A. I assume here both sides are A. Now A plus A and base is 5. Now this perimeter already he has given what? 11. This perimeter he has given already 11. 11 is equal to A plus 5. 11 is equal to a plus a, both are like term, 2a plus 5. 2a is equal to 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. A is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. The value of a has come 3. Now I can find out easily area of isosceles triangle. I hope students you are getting my point. Figure is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle I have assumed the both equal sides are a plus 5 is equal to perimeter already given 11. The value of a has come 3. Now I want to apply formula. Area of isosceles triangle is equal to area of isosceles triangle is equal to b by 4 square root 4a square minus b square. I want to substitute the value. Base already he has given 5. 5 by 4 square root of 4 into the value of a I got it 3. 3 square minus the value of b is 5 square. 5 by 4 3 square is 9. 9 4s are 36. 36 minus 5 5s are 25 is equal to 5 by 4 square root of 11 centimeter square. This is the answer. Hence, the area of isosceles triangle is 5 by 4 square root of 11 centimeter square. Hence, area of an isosceles triangle is 5 by 4 square root of 11 centimeter square, या square centimeter. Note down clearly everyone. Area of isosceles triangle is equal to b by 4 square root of 4 square minus b square. I substituted the value, I got it 5 by 4 square root of 11 centimeter square. Yes. Example 2. Note down example 2 everyone. Find the area of a triangle find the area of a triangle find the area of a triangle two sides of which two sides of which are 14 centimeter and 8 centimeter, and the perimeter is 40 centimeter. In this figure, you are observing, students, two side he has given, third side we want to find out, and perimeter also given. Then firstly, I want to write here, let A is equal to 14 centimeter, B is equal to 8 centimeter, perimeter S is equal to 40 centimeter. Now we know already perimeter means one triangle is there. Suppose this is one triangle, side is A, B, C. What is perimeter? A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is equal to already what he has given, 40. Now A is 14, B is 8, C I want to find out first, is equal to 40. Now C is equal to 40 minus 22. 10 minus 2, 8. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1. C has come 18 centimeter. Now I want to find out first, yes, semi perimeter. This is not semi perimeter, this is P beta perimeter. Semi perimeter not, this is P perimeter. Now semi perimeter, S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. The value of A is 14 plus B is 8, C is 18 by 2. P is perimeter, students, and S is semi-perimeter. Don't confuse, because students are getting more confusion here. Perimeter means sum of measure of all sides, and semi-perimeter means A plus B plus C by 2. Got it? Now 14 plus 8, 32 plus 18, 40. 40 by 2 is equal to 20. Now I want to find out S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S minus A, the value of S is 20, A value is 14, 6. S minus A is 6. S minus B, 20 minus B value is 8, 12. S minus C, 20 minus the value of C is 18, 2. We got it each and every terms. Now I want to substitute this value in the given formula. Area of triangle is equal to square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Area of triangle is equal to square root of S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. I want to substitute these values. The value of S is 20. S minus A is 6. S minus B is 12. S minus C is 2. How to solve? Already I have explained to you students. I want to do prime factor. 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. 20 means 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. 6 means 2 into 3. 12 means 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, and last is 2. Now here yesterday I have seen so many students solve the question, but they did wrong here. When we are making pair, we want to bring number outside, then we don't want to write here square root symbol. Suppose this 2 is there, we will bring 2 outside. Next, this 2 is there, also bring outside. 1 2 is remaining here, and 1 2, this also came outside. What is remaining here? Now 1 3 is also here, and 1 3, this also came outside. Now what is remaining here? What is remaining? 5, square root of 5. When you are bringing students outside, then you will never keep a square root symbol. Understood everyone? Now 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24 square root of 5 centimeter square. Hence area of triangle is 24 square root of 5 centimeter square. Hence area of triangle is 24 square root of 5 centimeter square. Example 3. Example 3. The perimeter of a triangular garden the perimeter of a triangular garden The perimeter of a triangular garden is 900 is 900 meter square, and its sides are in the ratio in the ratio in the ratio 3:5:4. Using Heron's formula, find the area of the garden. Find the area of the garden. Using Heron's formula, find the area of the garden. Yes. First, I want to assume, let the sides of the triangular garden, let the sides of the triangular garden let the sides of the triangular garden be 3x comma 5x and 4x. Why I am taking x? Because they have given in the ratio form. Now after that he has given perimeter of rectangular garden is 900 meter. 900 meter. Now I will write here perimeter is equal to 900. You know, students, already perimeter sum of measure of all the three sides. Suppose this is one triangle. One length is 5x, 3x and 4x. How to find perimeter sum of measure of all sides? 3x plus 5x plus 4x is equal to 900. 12x is equal to 900. Because all are like term. Now 12x means 12 into x multiplication, quantity becomes division. 900 by 12. The value of x has come 75. Now again I want to find out each and every side. First side is 3x, 3 into 75, 225, 5 into 75, 5 into 75, 375, 4 into 75, 300. Then s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2.